Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, power door locks, power windows, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.